Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Instinct 2 Tactical. To begin, power on your device by holding the control button on the top left. You'll navigate through menus using the up and down buttons on the left side, and select options with the GPS button on the top right. For quick access to essential settings, simply long press the control button. This intuitive layout makes getting started with your rugged smartwatch straightforward and efficient, ensuring you can quickly access its core functions. The Instinct 2 Tactical offers powerful features for demanding environments. Activate stealth mode by long pressing the light button, which disables wireless communication and stops GPS location saving, keeping your position private. Should the need arise, the kill switch, accessible through a custom hotkey, quickly erases all user data from the device. You can also project waypoints, allowing you to navigate to a specific bearing and distance, crucial for off-grid operations and precise movement. Beyond its tactical capabilities, this watch is an excellent health and fitness companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, sleep patterns, and stress levels, providing valuable insights into your well-being. With over 30 built-in sports apps, you can accurately track activities like running, hiking, and swimming. After your workouts, review detailed performance metrics and recovery time directly on the watch or through the comprehensive Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Personalize your Garmin Instinct 2 Tactical to suit your unique needs. You can customize watch faces, data fields, and activity profiles directly on the device or via the Garmin Connect app. One of its standout features is the exceptional battery life, offering up to 28 days in smartwatch mode, and even more with solar charging. Utilize the Power Manager settings to further extend its endurance, ensuring your watch is ready for any mission or adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.